The List Detail view gives your users a quick way to navigate within a list of data. In this example, the list of items, or accounts, are shown on the left, and the details of the item, in this case account details, are shown on the right. You can click on the account on the list to show the details for that account. Each piece of data shown on this page is connected to a separate model in your SWIP page. The list is driven by the accounts model, the account details is driven by the account detail model, contact list is driven by the contact model, etc. This view is made possible by using model conditions. You can add conditions to each model that tell the model to filter its data by a set of criteria. And in this case, we want only the data for the account that's being selected. Constructing the condition is as simple as filling out a few inputs. Then, go to the page canvas and find the list with all the accounts. And in the Interactions tab, you pass the ID of the selected account and query all the related models to refresh the detail view.